How to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to Xbox. So, are you trying to get your Xbox online but getting stuck on the Xfinity login screen? Whether you're using your home gateway or a public Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot, the connection process can be a bit tricky. And I'm showing you today the standard setup and the MAC address secret that fixes the connection. So if you're at home with your Xfinity router, it's simple. You go to Settings, General, Network Settings, and select Setup Wireless Network. Then just choose your home Wi-Fi name. If you forgot your password, just open the Xfinity app on your phone, go to the Wi-Fi tab, and tap Wi-Fi details to see it. Enter that on your Xbox, and you're in. Then also, the next one is the hotspot. So if you're using the hotspot selected from the list, your Xbox will say additional authentication required. Select Authenticate Now, which should open the Microsoft Edge browser. If the login page doesn't pop up, just open Edge manually and type in xfinity.com/activate. Use your Xfinity ID and your console should be authorized. And if the Edge browser stays blank or gives you an error, here's the pro workaround. Connect your phone to the Xfinity hotspot fast and log in. Once your phone is online, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and find its MAC address. Now, on your Xbox, go to Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC Address. Choose Manual and type in your phone's MAC address. And that's it, guys. Now you're online and ready for work. If this address trick saved you a gaming night, guys, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fixes.